Lithium iron phosphate save lives. Tolerant lithium ensure better lives.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Today, let's briefly compare lithium iron phosphate and tolerant lithium to see which one is better.
Let's make it clean all at once today.
How to distinguish them? The normal voltage of 3.2 volts is lithium iron phosphate. 3.7 volt is tolerant lithium. Let's start with safety. Lithium iron phosphate is heat resistant and is not prone to catching fire. Tolerant lithium has a high energy density, but its thermal runaway temperature is low. Once accident occurred, the burns up even faster.
So if you are afraid of fire and want to save troubles, then choose lithium iron phosphate.
Let's weight a battery and calculate its energy density based on capacity and voltage. Based on the weight, the calculated energy densities are shown in the chart. At the same weight, tolerant lithium has much higher energy density than lithium iron phosphate.
So for long battery life, cold resistant, and lightweight, choose tolerant.
Let's look at the lifespan. The cycle life of lithium iron phosphate is 2,000 to 3,000 times, while that of tolerant lithium is only 1,000 to 1,500 times.
Moreover, lithium iron phosphate is cheaper. If you want to use it for a long time and have a tight budget, choose lithium iron phosphate.
In summary, if you are afraid of fire, want to use it for a long time, and have a tight budget, choose lithium iron phosphate. For long battery life, lightweight, and cold resistant, choose tolerant lithium. Lithium iron phosphate save lives. Tolerant lithium ensure better lives. Okay, that's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye bye.